Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, and this is Dylan's DIY Workshop. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made this ice fishing pole bobber thing that you can adjust with weights. So I start off with some white oak 2x3, and that is just from an old project, so that's why I already had it glued up. You could also use a 2x4 for this. The design I was going off of was actually made with 1x3, I believe, and 1x6. I'm just going to go ahead and let the video play through. The piece wouldn't fit through my bandsaw, so I cut it off with a handsaw and then made it square with the bandsaw. It's pretty straightforward once you see the finished design. If you want to make one yourself, it's basically one piece that pivots in the middle on top of a fork shape that is on an upright piece. You can make this with any type of wood and any size you'd like. The weights are just on some 1/4-20 bolts that are put up through the pivoting piece, and there are some washers cut open for the rod to pivot on so that there's less resistance than the wood. And that is it. I will just let the video play. Hope you guys enjoy.
Had 1,000 standing out on my front lawn. I'd have to cut my hair and change my name. Seems to me that the best part of the journey is getting lost along the way. And if I stumble, well, no stone could ever hurt me. I keep moving on, this road is mine to take. I keep moving on, this road is mine to and a brand new Fender amp, and another million follows on my Instagram, so I could quit my job and go sing with the band. If I had a pretty mansion on a hill, probably be drunk off whiskey, high on a couple pills, but oh boy, my life would be a thrill. I die at 45, forget to leave a will. Seems to me that the best part of the journey is getting lost along the way. And if I stumble, well, no stone could ever hurt me. I keep moving on, this road is mine to pay. Yeah, I keep moving on, this road is mine to pay. La la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
So now we got the recess cut out for the washer. We could just glue the washer down. I'm going to give this weld bond a shot. I just bought it the other day, and apparently it sticks to just about everything. Okay, now that we got that, just grab our little spring clamp.
Try to tell them peace and love can save the world. It seems to me, oh, that the best part of the journey is getting lost along the way. It's getting lost along the way. And if I stumble, no stone could ever hurt me. This road is mine to take. I'll keep moving on. This road is mine to take. If I had a crystal ball, I'd never have to worry, not at all. I'd foresee my every slip and fall. I'd throw a curveball and my maker came to call. If I had a magic wand, I'd cast a love spell over every pretty blonde. And I had 1,000 standing out on my front lawn. I'd have to cut my hair and change my name to John. Seems to me that the best part of the journey getting lost along the way. If I stumble, no stone could ever hurt me. Moving on, this road is mine to pave. I'll keep moving on, this road is mine to pave. If I had a genie in a lamp, wish for a Les Paul and a brand new Fender amp, and another million follows on my Instagram, so I could quit my job and go sing with the band. If I had a pretty mansion on a hill, probably be drunk off whiskey, high on a couple pills. Oh boy, my life would be a thrill. Die for 45, forget to leave it. Seems to me that the best part of the journey is getting lost along the way. And if I stumble, well, no stone could ever hurt me. I keep moving on, this road is mine to pave. I keep moving on, this road is mine to pave. La la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
And that's going to be it for this one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and a special thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. You guys are what is allowing me to keep creating videos the way that I do, and a huge thank you to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robin Bird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. If you guys want to help support what I do on Patreon, I will leave a link up in the top right corner of the screen as an iCard, as well as in the description as always. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big ol' thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. Okay, well, it's a video.
I made you something.